The basics of using a table saw. Parts: power supply, blade, fence, fence lock, start and stop switch, riving knife, miter gauge, push stick, blade depth adjustment, bevel adjustment and degree indicator. Safety: wear safety glasses, use hearing protection, tight-fitting gloves are recommended, avoid loose clothing and jewelry, and secure up any long hair. Set the tool on a solid, stable surface. Operation: disconnect the power before making adjustments. Adjust the blade to your desired angle using the bevel angle and lock. Adjust the blade height to extend 1/4 inch beyond the material's thickness. Adjust the fence to your desired dimension and verify with the tape measure as needed. Start the tool before the blade makes contact with the material. Push the material to the fence tight before the blade to avoid any pinching. Avoid standing in line with the blade. Slide the material slowly along the fence through the blade. Use a push stick to push the material through the blade for any narrow dimensions.